guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to shoot this video because this is totally unplanned and I really wanted to shoot it because I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys before I hop on the product and start using it, because I am somebody like who loves to use the recently shopped products immediately, but I really wanted to unbox it in front of you. This video is not about the beauty product, it's not about the skincare, it's not about the fashion haul. This is something about the food. Yeah, right, I'm not sharing any recipe, do not worry, because I'm not good in that either. But this is a recent subscription box I came across, and when I was going through my Instagram page, and I thought I should give it a try and see how it works. This box contains, it says that it contains all the healthy snacks, and the box is called Fab Box. Yes, that is how it looks like. I got it yesterday night and I was so excited to unbox it in front of you guys, so I just immediately shot this video in the morning time. So let me tell you about this Fab Box first. The website is fabbox.in. I'll link down the site details in the description box below. And how it works, you have to pick a box. The one which I picked is called the mini one. This was about $6.99. Okay, so once you pick your box, you choose your plan, and the one which I picked, it contains total 5 items. You have the liberty to choose 2 out of 5. They have a complete list of all the snacks which are available on their website, and you choose it as per your preferences, and rest of the 3 products will be delivered by or will be chosen by the Fabbox team. So what happened is I selected 2 options, okay, and out of after choosing 2, the everything was done. Okay, I just placed the order. So after 1 or 2 days, I got a call from the Fab Box. They said the chef is calling and he asked about my food preferences. It was like a short survey he had. So he asked about what kind of chocolates I like, if it is a milk chocolate or dark one, and if I prefer the protein based diet or prefer the fiber based diet, etc, etc. So on the basis of that, he just noted down my food preferences, and after that they prepared the entire package and I got it in a week time. Yeah, in a week time I got it. Okay, I think it is a Mumbai based. So they have total 4 boxes. One is surprise Fab Box, which cost about $999, and it will be 5 best snack item. The quantity of every snack would be 150 grams. The second one is the mini Fab Box, which I opted, that is like $6.99. You get to choose 5 snacks. Average is 85 grams per snack. The third one is classic Fab Box, that is again $999, and you can choose 3 of your choice, plus they choose 5 for you. Total 5 will be there, and average is again 150 gram. And the fourth one is the regular Fab Box, that is $999. You choose 5 of all of your choice, and that would be 150 gram per snack item. So once you choose your option, yeah, they have the different section. One is for the nuts, one is for the Mixomania, one is for the Nutri Bars, and the fruit chews. I was very excited to try the dried kiwi, but I think I forgot to add it in my Fab Box. And the fourth one is all the cookies they have. So they have a lot of items which you can choose, and once you select those ones, you can probably place your order. I don't remember, I'm sorry, I have a cold. I don't remember what all products I decided, so let's just get into the box, because I'm trying, I'm just dying to try all the products which have come across in this box. First of all, I did not like this packaging. I was expecting something very sturdy and very good looking, but okay, let's see. Okay, so here we unbox it. Okay, so that is how it looks from inside. Okay, and it contains total 5 items, and it has this card also, which has all their Instagram details, their website, their phone numbers, etc, etc, like this. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so the first one which I got is says peanuts tangy jalapenos. Yes, I selected this one because I love jalapenos flavor, and be it a pizza or whatever, I just love it. And this is what I have got. It is it says it's tangy jalapenos poured in virgin peanuts. You will need help keeping your hands off these. We'll see to it. Okay, and it is 85 grams, and there is no price written on it, like how much it will be, but they have mentioned all the fat, the calories, all the cholesterol, and the protein which is contained in this packet. So this is the first thing which I got. The second one which I again selected was the honey roasted almonds, and the same thing, there is no price. This is again 85 grams which I got. Okay, yeah. The third one which I got is the masala makhana. Makhanas actually are really high in calcium, and it is something you should always have it if you do not want to, you know, hop into something very unhealthy, and you want something like which fills your tummy also, as well as doesn't contain a lot of calories. So makhana is one of the thing, and this is, how much is it? Okay, it is not printed properly, but I think it is 150 grams. This is a bigger pack which I have got. Yeah, masala makhana, right. It is fiber rich, and the other last two products which I discussed were again the fiber rich products. The fourth one which I got is a soya nut in a lime flavor. I think it will be yummy, and this is the one, and it is again 85 grams. And last but not the least is the cranberry bar. Woohoo! So something to, you know, something for my sweet tooth. Yeah, it is again 85 grams, and this is the, it does not have cholesterol, it does not contain trans fat. It should be healthy. I'm really excited to try this one because I'm somebody who always you know, want to grab the chocolates or the candies in my free time, but I know this is very unhealthy, but I think if it is good, I'm definitely going to give it a shot, and you never know, I keep ordering this one. So guys, these were the 5 products which I got in my fab box. I'm not eating it right now, but I'm definitely going to eat these ones and update my findings on my Instagram account. My Instagram account details are there in my description box, as well as on my channel, so you can definitely go and check my Instagram account, because this is where I keep updating what is coming next in my upcoming videos, what recently purchased I have purchased, what recent things I'm indulging in. So you can definitely keep a track on it. I would definitely love to, you know, follow you back over the Instagram. And so guys, I try to review something very different other than the beauty and the fashion stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm somebody who loves to explore different things, and whatever I come across next time, I'm definitely going to share it with you guys. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up, yes, and please comment as well how you found this video, okay? And if you guys have already tried this kind of fab box, then definitely leave a comment below how you liked it, or what are the different snacks you think should are like worth trying, because I would definitely give it a chance. So guys, that was all for the day. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, bye.